This is Seth again here at 62 Sales. We talk a lot about preventative maintenance on trailers. Could be horse trailers, could be camper trailers, stock trailers, etc. And I wanted to just take a moment to show you, this is a good example of a blown rear bearing seal. So what happens is, if there's too much grease in the hub or the seal fails altogether, it allows grease to come in onto the brake shoes themselves, the brake magnet, therefore basically destroying everything because it's all saturated in grease. Now, the way that you can keep this from happening to you is one of two things. Keep your bearings properly serviced, repacked. We suggest about every couple years. Obviously, it depends on how much you're towing. The other thing is, and probably just as common, you see these grease fittings where you can punch a little grease gun on the end of the spindle and pump your bearings full of grease. Could be boat trailers, again, camper trailers. Be careful putting too much grease into the spindle, because if you put too much grease, you'll end up with a blown seal just like this. Then the bearings are shot, and obviously we do need to replace the rear seal here as well. So just a little tidbit, a little bit of advice from us here at 62 Sales.